How to power cycle in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, press volume up button and then quickly press volume down button, and after that quickly press power button so far, and so press volume button and then volume down button and press power button. And here you can see I can hold the power button to power cycle iPhone, and here you can see my screen will be black and Apple logo will be appear. And here you can see my phone is power cycle mode. So this is the way to power cycle iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if you want to on, then simply press this button and it will be on. Simply press volume up button and volume down button and then power button so quickly. So this is the way to power cycle in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.